Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I discuss skewness. What is the definition of skewness? It is defined as lack of symmetry. What is the definition of symmetry? Symmetry means a symmetrical distribution. When do you say distribution is symmetrical? That is, the distribution is symmetrical distribution. If the 3 points, there are two definitions. Definition number 1, mean, median and mode coincides. That is, symmetrical means symmetrical distribution or symmetrical. The first point is mean, median and mode coincides, that is equal, then the distribution is symmetrical. The distribution is symmetrical if mean, median and mode coincides or equal. The second one, the quartiles are equidistant from median, that is there are 3 quartiles, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q2 is median. The quartiles means are equidistant from the median, means Q1, the distance between Q1 to Q2 is same as Q2 to Q3. That is called quartiles are equidistant. How to calculate mathematically? The Q3 minus Q2, the difference between Q3 and Q2, it is equivalent to be Q2 and Q1, where Q2 is median. Remember, Q2 is median. This is another definition of symmetrical. The distribution is said to be symmetrical if quartiles are equidistant from the median. That is the point. It is going to be written as if Q3 minus Q2 is equal to Q2 minus Q1. The distance between Q3 and Q2 is equal to Q2 and Q1. Right? So now come to the definition of skewness. Skewness means lack of symmetry, which means if the distribution is not symmetrical, it is said to be skewness. It is said to be skewed. The distribution is skewed distribution. So that is a simple definition of skewness. The skewness means lack of symmetry. Now you see from the definition from one by one. First one, if the distribution is said to be skewed, or if you have a skewness in the distribution, then if you specify mean is not equal to median is not equal to mode, it may be in the 2 particular cases greater than and less than, or what it may be, right? So if you simply can specify that if mean is not equal to median is not equal to mode, then distribution is said to be skewed distribution. That is one definition of skewness. Second definition, the quartiles are not equidistant from the median. That is Q3 minus Q2, it is not equivalent to be Q2 minus Q1. The distance between Q3 and Q2 is not equal to Q2 and Q1. Alright? So this is what we can say the definition of skewness. If you draw a picture for symmetrical distribution, I draw a picture so that you can understand the symmetrical distribution. Again I write symmetrical, for which I draw the graph for mean, median and mode. If you consider this is mean, this is median, and this is as well mode of the distribution, same point. If it is mean, median and mode, then it is symmetrical distribution. This is one definition. Definition number 1 for symmetrical. If it is not like that, mean here, median somewhere here, mode somewhere here, then such distribution is known as symmetric skewness, skewed distribution. And similarly, now you consider the second one. If I consider the second one, Q2, Q1, Q3. If it is Q2 is median, if it is Q1, if it is Q3, and this distance of Q2 and Q1, that is this and Q2 and Q3, these two are equal, then it is symmetrical. Not equal, then it is skewness. Right? If it is not equal, it is said to be skewness. This is another definition. Now I go to the third definition, which I have to explain the various kinds of types of a curve which is drawn through the mean, median and mode, which are called rightly stretched and leftly stretched distribution. What is rightly stretched distribution and what is leftly stretched distribution? It is not mean, median, mode are fall at equal points at the same particular point. It is not fall at same particular point, and that is if it falls at same particular point, all mean, median and mode, then distribution is said to be symmetrical distribution. If it not so, then there may be two kinds of curves we can draw. One rightly stretched distribution and second one leftly stretched distribution. What is rightly stretched distribution? I draw first of all rightly stretched distribution, in which mean greater than, median greater than, mode, what we can observe. You observe this. This is what exactly it is, rightly stretched distribution, where we can easily observe that which is having the maximum frequency, it is mode. Okay, and I draw two another lines, one for mean and then for median. Now you see, you observe here from the graph, it is an increasing trend in the graph. So this is what the mean, which means it is the highest value. Mean is greater than median, it is greater than mode, that is median less than mean, mode is less than median is less than mean. So which means here we can observe here in the rightly stretched distribution, mean is greater than, median is greater than mode. This is what the case 1 we can consider, in which mean greater than, median greater than, mode, it is going to be specified as rightly stretched distribution or rightly stretched curve. And this is one type of skewness. This is one type of skewness. This is the data or the distribution or representation which is for explaining the lack of symmetry, that is skewness. Right? Now if you consider again another kind of distribution, we can specify that it is leftly stretched distribution. Stretched distribution. Similarly, the mean and median is going to be considered here on the left hand side, leftly stretched. The mean, median and mode are three particular points I have specified here, in which what is the relation graphically? It is increasing trend. Graphically it is going to be increasing trend. If you consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so therefore if you observe here, mode is going to be obtained at the maximum frequency. So therefore mean is less than, median is less than mode here. So therefore what I specify, what I write, mean is less than, median is less than mode. That is what this is what the relation between mean, median, mode, which is going to be specified as leftly stretched distribution. So this is what two kinds of the lack of symmetry, which means skewness, ski distributions. These are the two types of curves we can obtain and we can explain for explaining or for defining skewness. So skewness is also can be defined through these two particular figures, rightly stretched distribution, leftly stretched distribution, which is formulated in this fashion. Hope you understand. These are the two types of curves we can draw and we can explain. These are the two types of skewness. Right? Two types, two ways. In two ways we can obtain skewness. We can define skewness. Right? So the very first two definitions of skewness are mean, median, and mode are fall at different points. They are not equal, and quartiles are not equidistant from the median. That is Q3 minus Q2 is not equal to Q2 minus Q1. That is the second definition. This is what the third definition of the skewness, based on the first point you consider mean, median, and mode. For the same particular point, you can have this particular two kinds of stretched distributions and or curves we can draw and can explain for the skewness. Hope you understand. Thank you.